Alright. Tuesday open, guys. Welcome back for a new video. Let's get into the session. Let's see. Okay, there's a malfunction with the chart. Okay. So, guys, we got news today, by the way. 5 minutes until market opens. We got US new home sales, and at 8 o'clock we got FOMC meeting minutes. I don't know if I'll make a recording of this, but we'll see what happens. But we got some news this week at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, Belgium time. US core PCE. We got important news all week long here, as you can see. So please go check Financial Juice if you want your news feed to be straightforward and easy. Are we recording? Yes, we're recording. Alright, so let's stick up. We got some news. The US new home sale units at 4 o'clock, so stick up for that. So quickly, I really want to showcase this overall idea that I don't like how this structure looks. I don't like how this is slowly grinding upside, because we have another scenario here, right here, and look what happened afterwards. We dumped 200 points in a single day. So this is the daily chart. I don't like how the daily chart looks, because it looks something like this but way larger, which means the dump might be very serious. I don't know, it might not. We want to make some quick money. By the way, look at this setup pre-market, guys. Let me quickly touch about what happened pre-market. Look at this. We were having resistance at the 920s. We finally pushed above. We retested it. We also had a pivot into the 920s, and we had this perfect setup. If this was after the market open, I would have taken this setup. But yeah, the idea is very simple, you know, prior resistance turning into support, pushing back up, the initial retest. So this is the first test that we have here. The first test is the best test for an opportunity. Right now we're dumping, so let's see what happens. We also, by the way, we have a gap to the upside on the QQQ, and as well as on the ES here on the SPY. The Q's gap to the upside. Let's see if we can close the gap, capitalize a little bit. And let's focus a little bit like on the 15-minute opening range, like that first 15-minute candle. We wait till it closes and then we take trades. That would be great to see. Because look at this, guys. Yesterday, look at this. This is the 15-minute opening, like 15:30 candle, we closed, and this was basically the overall close and open right here. So from this level to this level, this is the 15-minute range. Look how beautiful this played out. We dumped below the range, we came back up, and pretty much, as you can see, we retested this wick right at the previous support level. We turned it into resistance and we dumped 50 points. This was a wonderful short. So let's see if we can grab something, or $200 a day. Right now the 24-25 range chart is just strong momentum to the downside. The overall volume doesn't look chunky. It doesn't look stuck in a single place. We have all these like levels that we might move through relatively easy. So let's focus on grabbing the correct setups and not just straight up FOMO in at open. Okay, 33 seconds. Maybe we find support again, 925. If we get above the 50s, we gotta be careful not to see a chop, not to see choppy day. But as you can see, this looks like it wants to go all the way down there in 900s. Ten seconds. Let's see the initial reaction. Looks like it wants to go down, but might not happen. This looks like a tiny bull flag on the 25 range chart. We might push through the 55s there. Let's stay quiet because we have the FOMC meeting minutes. Let's get diamond hands, guys. Diamond hands. Let's go. Look at that, above that 50 area. Choppy on the 15-minute chart. The first 330 candle bar. Let's see. Two-minute chart is ripping. Very impressive. Okay, so next plan is, holy cow. What I'd like to see this do next is push up there into the 2100s and pull back into the 80s to take a long, potentially taking a long. There's the gap. 40% of gaps do not get filled the same day, just so you guys know. We're not always playing by the gap fill, unless it gives us straight signs that it wants to. Look at this, we're pushing. Let it push a little more. Because right now this is like slightly grinding, so it's not like straight up. It is straight up on the 3-minute chart, however. Let's be careful with this overall 2100 area, 21,000 area. I literally do not know. Yeah. I don't know if this was a good setup here because we don't have previous resistance. We don't have previous like support or resistance areas. Pretty much this area right here at the 62s, but nah, it's not convincing enough. We need bigger picture support and resistance, such as this right here, but as you can see, it's chopping around this area. We might not even take a trade today, that's the thing. So, and that's okay. As long as you don't lose an account, that's okay. Okay, let's see. Any bigger picture? No, not really. See if we can push up there, not 21,000s and above, and then come back and retest this bad boy. The ES is low here. It's below this high. But as you can see, everything's above the VWAP, so... Wow, look at this. I don't like this structure. Okay, there it is. There's the 21,000s. This is not clear price action, to be honest, guys. This is so not clear. Retest the 80s, like push up there 21,000 and then retest the 80s. That would be sick. Come on. Yesterday's setup was pretty fire. Not gonna lie. 2-minute chart. 2-minute chart straight up, no pullbacks. 3-minute chart as well. Better go back down there a little bit, just in the 80s. I'm gonna take a long here. Might have to cut it very shortly. Just down $100. Let's set max limit on the day. Let's set it to $200 if we lose. Three-minute chart looks good for a push. Gonna get long right there. We need strength. We need some strength, guys. Come on, push it up so I can move a break even. There's the push. I'm gonna scale it up then, move it to break even. There it is. Let it rip above the 21,000s there. Looking lit. There it is. Just up 59 bucks. That was a good setup, but I'm gonna get long again. See if we can get a small, very small push. Can't get a push. Just down $38. I think we should let this go because this is a massive doji here. Yeah, let it go. Need to find that area of support pretty much. Support again. I'm not sure that this was a smart idea. I'm gonna take it off there quickly if we can't get it. Take it quickly. Yeah, we're fine. We're just down $100, which is great. Let's step back a little bit because this is a kind of trash price action, to be honest. What is this? Let's let it do its thing here. 5 more minutes till the opening range closes, and then we can focus on taking a trade if it shows up. 21 EMA down there into the 63s. I don't like this. Looks like it bear flags on the 25 range chart here. Might dump. There it is, 21 EMA. The question is, do we dump? He wicked. Let's leave it do its thing, guys. Let the new, I think we need to wait for the new 2-minute candle to appear. I wonder what the ES is doing. Oof, ES looks down, but the Nasdaq's still up. Tricky spot, very, very tricky. Looks like the SPY gets stuck. I don't wanna mess with this. I don't wanna mess with this. I'm just gonna tap out here. Look at this. This is disgusting. By the way, guys, look at this. We held multiple times here at the 800s. We bounced off of here. We bounced off of here. Held the 800s many times. I wonder how many times will we hold the 800s before we dump it? That's the question. Look at this. This is disgusting. Okay, time to mark out the 15-minute range. There it is. 15-minute range marked up, and we're not taking trades unless we're trading outside of this 15-minute range. The concept is simple. We turn this area into support, we keep going, or we turn this into resistance, we keep dumping. Oh man, I don't want to. God. It is clear that I could have bought at this place, but god damn, it's just not clear, just trash. There it is. We're going up. Let's see if we can push into the 20s, retest the 2100s and keep going higher. Keep going, keep going. I'm gonna keep trading the micros, guys. I'm gonna take a small long. If we can get above. No, we cannot get above. I think I'm gonna just take it and leave because this is obviously a day where previous wick. There it is, previous wick. I'm gonna move it right here if we cannot get. If we just cannot get going, I guess they're 15s. Okay. The question is, can we get above the 2100s? Nope. Okay, I think, yeah, no. All types of dirty stuff, man. It's fine. Total loss on the day would be $171, which is, I think it's great. Great risk management overall. $15-minute range, let's pay attention a little bit to it. See what happens. The ES is down here, boys. Phew, the ES is pulling back. This might be Nasdaq manipulation, because when one is holding, the ES has like the more clear direction overall. But when you just have one holding down and the other one pushing up, it's typically this guy gets manipulated. But let's see. There it is. There's the 20s. Question is, can we get a setup? There's a micro. Okay, there's the 20s. The question is, can we come back, retest the 2100s? We're way off the 21 EMA. We need to be careful. Come on. Freaking ads, guys. I think if we can look at this, there's good volume right here in the 21,000s. Man, this is choppy. God damn. Yeah, this is one of those days where sitting on your hands is like, would be your Lord and Jesus Christ. Let's see what happens. Can we get back down there? 21,000s maybe? Look at this, 20, there it is. Can we go just a little more? Retest the 15-minute range and then keep going higher. There it is, there's the old threes. I'm just gonna move it a little bit here. What? Nope. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, no, we don't want none of this stuff. We don't want this. We don't, no. Yeah, there it goes. There flops. That's the importance of a stop loss. There it goes. Back inside the, back at the 21 EMA there. I wonder if we can like push into the 21,000s, reject, and then I can go in like one mini. That'd be sick. We're down $256. We're okay. Come on. Keep in mind we're above the VWAP. Maybe we can finally start to move down to fill that gap. Yeah, I think it would be good to search for some opportunities to fill that gap. Volume here, volume in the VWAP, volume all the way down there. 20,900s. We need to break this level, the 60 level, and then turn it into resistance and keep going down into the VWAP. That will be a play. QQQ starts dropping. Can kind of see what I might want to do here. The important is to crack the 60s right there, the 60s, turn it into support. I would like to see something like this. That would be a great way. There we go, snapping the 60s. Go back up maybe 70s. There it is, 70s. Wow. We can find like one more setup. I'm not gonna throw minis. I'm gonna try a short. There's a short. Stopped out break even again. Yeah, good thing I moved the break even. Yeah, I believe that. I think I'm gonna just quit and leave altogether because this is not something I want to trade, guys. I'm gonna stay disciplined. I hit my stop for the day, which is 259 bucks. I think I've done it. Yeah, I've done a great job. Now it goes down. Yeah, classic. Oh, there's news actually. Let's make sure we exit everything. Everything is out. There's news in 3 seconds. Oh! Oh! God! Oof! God damn, bro, look at that. Yeah, there it is. There's the sweep. Yeah. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Don't trade news, boys. Holy shitters. There's the view up. I just, wow. Wow. Okay. I see guys, I see how it is. What in the world is this price action? Ho 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 ho. Yo, that is insanity. Big volume into the 50s. Look at this reaction straight off of the 50s. Ho ho ho. There's volume everywhere. You don't know which is which today. It's one of these days. Look at this chop. Middle of the range there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm stopping this. I might come back later to see if there's any optimal or prime setups to take, but right now it's just... you just don't want it. What the yeah, no. Rejection of the 50s here, boys. Look at that. There's just a huge volume. You got some volume up. Yo, look at this. Good volume into the 800s. Interesting spot. Very interesting. Very interesting. Really interested to see what will happen. Maybe if we can dump back down, maybe retest the 70s. This is one of those days you need to sit on your hands. Patience is key. There's the 70s. There's the 70s. Except that I don't want to take a long look at this. This wasn't. I don't want to take any trades right here, straight in the middle. I mean, look, we're in the middle of this range, literally flat 50-50. God damn, bro. Boring day, indeed. Yep. That is why I don't take longs or shorts. You could take you could have took a short, but who the frick wants that? From here it can go both ways. There's huge volume again. Wow, the volume is getting insane. Yeah, it's chop. I'm done for today, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. Gonna just call it a day. I'm done. Think close all positions and orders and just shut down. So yeah, there it is. Look at this. Yeah, don't taking trades here would mean you're gonna get murdered, absolutely murdered, slaughtered possibly. Stay away. We're fine. Okay, we're gonna come back for maybe later, we're gonna come back, but right now it's just news came out. Yeah, I'm gonna come back around 8 o'clock, see if I can get anything, but not really sure. However, tomorrow would be interesting to see. So I'm gonna get out and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Wednesday Open. I'll see everyone tomorrow, Wednesday Open, 3:30. Once again, subscribe, like. Let's get to 50 subs and we can go live every single day. So, like, subscribe, share. And if you're interested to learn more about futures trading, comment down below what you want to see. Peace to the Middle East.